It's Mr. C's Toothpick Tower Challenge. And what do you need? Two things, marshmallows and toothpicks. You go and do some research and you decide what kind of shapes you want to use to build your tower. Me, I'm going the geometric route. I've got my cubes, I've got my pyramids, and most importantly, I've got a plan. Check it out. Here's my design. Simple and easy, but most importantly, if I make a mistake, I can go back and make adjustments. So let's get started. I've got a tower, but it's collapsing to the side, so I've got to think about, what do I do to get it to stand up straight? I've got to build support on that side. So the design process is really important. You design something, you test it, and if it doesn't work at first, you redesign and you retest. Until next time, keep learning full steam ahead, and we'll see you soon.